VIOLETTEVERSE, your source for everything super. Whether it be books, shows, clothes, DIYs, or toys. If it's super related, we're on it. So if you like superheroes, click that subscribe button. And you know what we're talking about? Superheroes! So if you like Justice League, give this video a big thumbs up. I love Justice League, you can tell right now. Here's the ones I have. I have Batman, 2 Batmans. There's a motorcycle one that transforms into a robot. If you want to see that review, it'll be in the description below. We have Batman, Robin, Cyborg, and Joker. And I got Harley. Yeah. She's somewhere in the back right there. Okay, I got her. Let's put her next to her put-in Joker. She's the classic Harley. I love the Suicide Squad and the DC Superheroes. I like all of the Harleys and all the Jokers. I just love them. But I love this Cyborg and the Cyborg and the Cyborg. Well, I love all the Cyborgs and now every Justice League. Well, today we're open some more Justice Leagues. So we got Lex Luthor, we got Hawkman, we got Firestorm, we got Plastic Man. They're all from Justice League Action. They're made by DC and Mattel. I'm gonna start with, let's see, how about Lex Luthor? Let's see, with Lex Luthor. They're for ages 3 and up. You can also play Justice League Action Run. Oh, this is hard. Let's do the easy way. I like the easy way. 1, 2, 3. So here they are out of the box. His head is on fire! Look at what he can do specially. I didn't break him. He can meant to do that because he's stretchy. And he can do a split. He does the splits. He's Plastic Man and he's made out of plastic. Okay, let's just let him stand next to Batman for right now. Here's Firestorm. His head is on fire and it's a great detail. He has orange and yellow. Oh, and red. The arms move too, they bend. The hands move too, and the heads. These are his wings. If you're like, what is that, Violet? It's his wings. There's little like holes, and there's pegs right here so you can put his wings in. There we go. We got the wings in. This is a great timing. I got Hawkman because Hawkgirl is coming. She's coming April 1st. It's no April Fool's joke. There'll be an Amazon link in the description box below. So you can pre-order if you want. So let's put his head down so everybody can see Hawkman. He's Lex Luthor. And he is wearing shiny gold and black. He's wearing shiny gold and black. And he is wearing some green for his L for Lex Luthor. That's the end of our new Justice League Action toy figures. Bye guys! Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, always be yourself. Unless you can be a superhero, then always be a superhero. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.